Hey there, homeowners! Today I'm diving into a topic that I'm sure will resonate with many of you: decluttering your kitchen. We all have those items lurking in our cabinets and drawers that we never use, or worse, that could be harmful. So let's talk about 10 toxic kitchen items you should toss now. Ready? Let's go! First up, non-stick cookware that's seen better days. If your non-stick pans are scratched or peeling, it's time to say goodbye. The coating can break down and release harmful chemicals into your food. Instead, invest in high-quality stainless steel or cast iron pans. They're durable and safe. Next, plastic food containers, especially the ones that are old or scratched. Over time, plastic can leach chemicals like BPA into your food. Switch to glass or stainless steel containers for a safer, eco-friendly option. Third on the list, old wooden utensils. Wood is porous, and over time it can harbor bacteria. Replace them with silicone or stainless steel utensils. They're easier to clean and much more hygienic. Number 4, chipped or cracked ceramic dishes. These can be a breeding ground for bacteria and can also contain lead in some cases. Opt for high-quality, unchipped replacements to keep your kitchen safe and healthy. Fifth, mismatched and damaged plastic lids. Not only are they frustrating, but they can also warp and leach chemicals when heated. Go for a set of matching lids and containers, preferably in glass. Next, those ancient spices at the back of your cupboard. Spices lose their potency over time and can even develop mold. Regularly check expiration dates and restock with fresh, flavorful options. Seventh, non-food safe dishware. Some decorative plates and cups are not meant for food use and can contain toxic glazes. Use them for decor only and stick to food-safe options for eating and drinking. Eighth, aluminum cookware. There's ongoing debate about its safety, but some studies suggest it can leach into food, especially acidic dishes. Again, stainless steel or cast iron is a safer bet. Number 9, dish sponges. These are bacteria magnets. Replace them frequently or switch to dish brushes or silicone scrubbers, which are easier to sanitize. Lastly, disposable kitchen products. Plastic wrap, single-use coffee pods, and paper plates contribute to waste and can contain harmful chemicals. Consider reusable alternatives like beeswax wraps, a French press, or real plates. All right, friends, that's part 1 of our kitchen declutter series. Toss those toxic items and make room for safer, healthier alternatives. Your kitchen and your health will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2. Happy decluttering!